Hello and welcome to the Early College of Guilford. I'm Dr. Pete Cashabera, proud principal here in Phoenix Nation. ECG was the first early college in North Carolina, and we are proud of the accomplishments of our students, staff, and parents. Each group contributes to our success, as we are consistently ranked among the best high schools in the nation. We challenge high-achieving students in a writing-intensive, fast-paced curriculum featuring teachers and college professors who are the best in their fields.
ECG offers a very unique academic experience for students who are seeking a rigorous program. The curriculum at ECG allows students the opportunity to complete 4 years of high school coursework in 2 years. 9th and 10th grade students take AP courses, juniors and seniors are full-time college students. When students graduate, they have not only a high school diploma, but also 2 years of college credit that can be transferable to other colleges. Thank you, Dr. Cashabaro, and welcome to all of you. As mentioned, my name is Nicole Webster, and I have had the honor of serving as the school counselor at the Early College at Guilford for the past 10 years. For the next few minutes, I will share with you information about ECG, our partnership with Guilford College, as well as a closer look at our admission process. So let's begin. ECG was the first true early college program in the state of North Carolina. We were established in 2002 as an early college entrance high school. We're located on Guilford College's campus. We continue to rank among the best high schools in the state as well as the nation as a result of our hardworking students, our amazing staff, and our rigorous academic program. ECG is made up of 200 students in grades 9 through 12 and 10 Guilford County school teachers. Our 9th and 10th grade students take honors as well as AP classes with our high school teachers to meet the North Carolina high school graduation requirements. To give an overview of required courses that our 9th graders take, they are Honors Biology, Honors English 1, Honors English 2, Honors Personal Finance, AP World History, and Health and PE. Our juniors and seniors are also provided a college advisor who serves as the liaison ECG and Guilford College. The liaison advises our students on which college courses to take, as well as guide them through the college registration process. When students graduate from ECG, they earn their high school diploma along with 2 years of college credit from Guilford College. As part of the academic rigorous program at ECG, it is very writing intense. Our students write across curriculum. Our teachers, as well as Guilford College professors, incorporate writing into every subject from English to math. One of the unique things about ECG is that we don't track our students or place them into a pathway. We encourage students to seek and explore courses and to add breadth as well as depth to their academic experience and their high school transcript. Parents, this is a benefit to you because when the students go off to their degree granting college and universities, they have a better sense of what courses they like and dislike, and a better understanding of what they would like to major in without calling home every other month to change their major. A few of the college courses our students take at Guilford College as high school juniors and seniors are multivariable calculus, organic chemistry, and upper-level world languages in German, Japanese, French, as well as Spanish. So by now you're probably saying this program sounds too good to be true. How much does it cost for a student to attend ECG? ECG is a public high school, and Guilford County Schools has a wonderful partnership with Guilford College. And our students attend ECG for $35 a year. Each year, our students pay $35 in library fee to Guilford College for the use of the library, computers, and access to printing. As for books, our juniors and seniors are only asked to cover the cost of consumable books and access codes. Finally, I'll give you a closer look into our admission process. The goal of the Early College at Guilford's admission process is to admit capable and diverse students. The admission team reviews applications and accompanying documentation of prospective ninth graders and, as spaces are available, of students entering 10th or 11th grade. We are looking for students who are seeking a rigorous academic high school experience. We're looking for students who have taken the most rigorous courses taught at their middle school and performed well in them. Students who have completed at least Math 1. Our math curriculum begins at Math 3. So if a student is admitted who has not taken Math 2, you will be required to successfully complete that course online over the summer prior to your ninth grade year. We also require 2 positive teacher recommendations from your current middle school core teachers. We require your final 7th grade report card, your most recent 8th grade report card, and your 7th grade EOG and/or EOC scores. If you are a Guilford County School student, these documents will automatically upload to your application. If you are out of Guilford County schools, such as a private school, charter school, or homeschool, you will have the opportunity to upload these documents into SchoolMint, which is the application portal. Also this year, your winter MAP test scores will become a part of your application assessment data. Again, if you are a Guilford County School student, this data will be automatically uploaded to your application. However, if you are out of Guilford County schools, such as private school, charter school, or homeschool, you will receive an invite to come and take the winter MAP test. PSAT, SAT, and/or ACT are not required for admission to ECG. Finally, once all your academic data and recommendations have been reviewed, we will invite some of our applicants in for a writing assessment as well as an interview. During this process, we are considering your leadership, your unique talent and interests, as well as your writing skills, your maturity, and motivation. At the end of the academic review and the interview, we will make our selection of the incoming class of 52 students. Overall, ECG students must demonstrate a level of readiness necessary for success in an accelerated high school curriculum. This includes being a full-time college student during the 11th and 12th grade years. So now let's hear from some of them, the true experts, our students.
As Student Council President, I have experienced firsthand the collaborative and tight-knit community here at ECG. Both upper and underclassmen alike work together on our numerous fun yet rigorous group activities planned by our lovely teachers. Meanwhile, we also work around the clock on our super fun events like Homecoming, Spirit Week, the Town Show, and many more, as all of our over 20 clubs are student-led.
As a senior here, I've had experience in all 4 years of high school at the early college. Although a lot of work with multiple APs, the work is all manageable, even with sports at your public school. The 2 years of high school seem like too little time, but thanks to our amazing teachers, everyone is well prepared for the next 2 years in college. ECG has been completely worth it, and as I move on to Duke, I will be very prepared with both college experience and college credit.
Please keep in mind, if you're seeking a diverse community of like-minded students and are ready to help us maintain the standard for excellence, the Early College of Guilford is a school for you.
Go Phoenix!